you encountering the VC runtime 140_1.DLL missing error while trying to play League of Legends? Don't worry. In this video, we'll guide you through the steps to resolve this frustrating issue and get you back into the game. First, open the link provided in the description of this video. This will take you to the download page for the necessary files. Download the x86 version of the file. Now, download the x64 version as well. These are the essential components to resolve the error. Once both files are downloaded, run the file named vc_redist_x86x. Accept the terms, click Install, and press Yes when prompted. After the installation is complete, close the installer. Next, run the file named vc_redist_x64x. Again, accept the terms, click Install, and press Yes when prompted. Once done, close the installer as well. Finally, restart your PC to complete the installation process. After the restart, the msvcp100.dll missing error should be resolved. And that's it, your issue should now be fixed. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who might be facing the same problem. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.